How's it going? In this video I'm going to show you how to bring back a missing home and back button on an Android phone. So we'll open up the browser just to show you. So as you can see, there's no home or back button. You just have to swipe at the bottom. So that's quite annoying, so I'll show you how to fix it. Come into your settings, and at the top you want to type in navigation. So that'll bring up either your navigation bar or it'll say navigation mode, depending which Android you have. So press that and come down and open up your navigation bar, and then you want to choose your navigation type, the buttons, and that'll change it. So as you can see, that brings up the back button and the home button at the bottom. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching.